So this is possibly the worst summer that Karnataka is experiencing, and of course Raghavendra has been traversing through different parts of Shimoga in the beating heat. Are you still enthusiastic in this summer?
Yeah, really. Up to 7th, we have to face it. All the summer heat and election process. Anyway, it's a very good thing going on in our constituency. 100% in this time also. Blessing of Modi ji and party. 4th time I contesting for this election.
Yes.
From the blessing of our JDS leader, respected Appaji Gowda, former MLA.
Right.
Last time she contested from Assembly constituency. Only 2,500 she lost their seat.
This is a real litmus test for the BJP-JDS alliance this time.
Really 100%.
You know, you are facing off Geeta Shivraj Kumar, who seems to have the star power with some actors are campaigning for her. Shivraj Kumar himself is a superstar here. Do you feel that will affect in any way, will kill your chances?
No, ma'am. Really, we are lucky. Our parliament constituency voters, they are enjoying the film stars. In coming days, within some more film actors will be visiting against me.
In support of you or against you?
Yeah, against me.
Against you.
No issue. Anyway, it all helps to the our common people of my constituency only. But our voter are very responsible.
So you're saying the stars will come here for their entertainment, but they will vote for you.
Yeah. That's what.
You know, we also know that it's not just Geeta Shivraj Kumar. You also have Ishwarappa, who was once a minister within the BJP, senior leader. He has decided to fight independent against you, saying that he wants to defeat the BS Yediyurappa family. It's not just you, he's against your family. What would be your response to him?
From last 2-3 weeks back,
Yeah.
he publicly announced give more than 5 lakhs vote to the Raghavendra. They will coming days he will make a cabinet minister from the union government. He appreciating me, but I don't know why within 2-3 weeks what happened for our leader. But I am sad. From last 2-3 elections, I took my blessing from that person. But this time they doing like that. But 100% the voters are brilliant. From vote only, who is Ishwarappa, who is BJP, and what is Congress, they will show their strength in this election.
All the people who say that, dynasty politics, Yediyurappa, Vijayendra, Raghavendra, as a family, all are still in power. Yeah, what would be your response to the critics?
Dynasty issue is whole the party decisions will be taken. Their dining hall, one family dining hall only. It is not like this in our BJP. Even especially in our Ishwarappa ji also telling like that only. If there is a dynasty politics in our party, there is a chance to take decision by Vijayendra and Yediyurappa ji regarding his son. Our High Command, our Modi ji, our all who are election committee, those two took the decision regarding Ishwarappa ji. So there is no question of dynasty in our party. I am the Karyakarta from last of 30-40 years. I contesting from ABP for Senate election for Kuvempu University. I studied in RSS school. Then I municipal president, then MLA, then MP. So step by step I cannot came by lift.
You are not. You are not airdropped.
Yeah, really.
पूरा कैंपेनिंग चल रहा है ना, क्या माहौल है?
इधर का माहौल तो दो तरफ भी सही है, आधा आधा है, बोल नहीं सकते ठीक से, इधर है या उधर है, बोल नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा ही हो गया है।
अच्छा,
दो भी आधा आधा चल रहा है।
ये 4 साल जो राघवेंद्र ने काम किया कैसा है?
हाँ, अच्छा सही किया।
अच्छा है, बीजेपी ने अच्छा काम किया है ना?
अच्छा काम किया।
अच्छा क्या कांग्रेस आएगी ये वक्त?
आपको कांग्रेस चाहिए?
हाँ,
अच्छा, आपको
कांग्रेस।
राघवेंद्र वहाँ पर है।
हम लोग को इनके पिताजी है,
अच्छा, बात करो उनसे।
हाँ, बात करो साहब।
क्या बोलेंगे उनको?
इनको तो यही बोलना चाहते हैं कि जो इनके जो पिताजी थे उस टाइम में जैसा माहौल था ऐसा रहना बस।
अच्छा, इनके पिताजी हर कौम से मतलब रखते थे?
हाँ, बहुत मतलब रखते थे। इधर तो उनके तरफ से बहुत इधर का ज्यादा से ज्यादा अभिवृद्धि हुआ, बहुत अभिवृद्धि होगा।
Your father has done a lot for the Muslim community, he said.
Yes, ma'am. Even in Bangalore, Hajj Bhavan.
Yes.
Really, in the time of father tenure, They made a really 40 to 50 crores project. That's one.
Right.
Even development of Shadi Mahal, Kabristan, like that. We did very good. There is no question of communal.
Yeah. You assure them, sir. Are you assuring them this time also?
Really, 100% our respected our Muslim voters also blessing for me in this election.
आप उनको आशीर्वाद देना बोल रहे हैं।
जी वो तो है, लेकिन पिताजी होते तो और अच्छा था हम लोग को।
पिताजी का उनका छवि है, छवि
वो तो
है।
है, लेकिन हम लोग इनसे ज्यादा उनके पिताजी को बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैं।
शिमोगा में हिंदू मुस्लिम सब इकट्ठा रहते हैं।
सब इकट्ठे ही है, तो यहाँ पे ये गांव ही इकट्ठा है।
हाँ।
ये गांव में हिंदू मुस्लिम साथ में खड़ा है, वो जो मुस्लिम इधर हिंदू
हाँ,
खड़ा
पता
है।
है मुसलमान यहाँ पर है, आप हिंदू है, तो यहाँ पर जो कम्युनल राइट्स होते हैं उसके बारे में।
नहीं, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है।
हाँ।
वो तो ये इलेक्शन के टाइम में ये, बाकी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे। एकदम साइलेंट हमारा,
एकदम साइलेंट है, खुश है सब।
सब खुश है एकदम।
हाँ। यहाँ क्या बोलते हो आप?
ये तो इधर हम भाई भाई की तरह है।
हाँ।
अब जो भी काम करते हैं सब मिलके करते हैं।
अच्छा
लेकिन हमें तो कर्नाटक में सिद्धरामैया की तो हुकूमत चलती है।
अच्छा, अभी के लिए हुकूमत चलती है ये बात। मगर ये
अब आएगी।
कौम को डर क्या है?
डर कुछ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, सब
तो
मिल
फिर बीजेपी रहने दो।
बीजेपी इतने दिन तो काम किए है ना।
हाँ।